Good morning team, welcome to part 3 of our East Cape mission. If you haven't seen our part 1 or 2, I'll link them in the description below, but basically we're just heading from Opotiki around to Gisborne and then down to Napier, back to Taupo. So we're doing that over sort of a week and a half. We're currently halfway between Anaura Bay and Tolaga Bay at a place called Anaura, which is a beautiful dock camping ground, beautiful bay. Here's Rosy here. There's the beach right there. We're currently the only ones here, just as I say that someone else pulls up. Currently the only ones at this campground last night, which is awesome. It's dog friendly, which is choice. We're going to head off shortly and head our way down to Tolaga Bay with Harvey's morning sleep, so you can have a sleep while we drive. But first, let's get the drone up, eh? Here's some drone shots. Welcome to Tolaga Bay and the 600 metre long historic Tolaga Bay Wharf, the longest of its kind in the Southern Hemisphere.
Falling in love is wonderful. Falling in love is wonderful. So they say, so they say, falling in love is wonderful. Falling in love is wonderful.
Well team, here's our accommodation for tonight. Rosy's behind us here and the beach and wharf are just behind us here. So we're staying at the Tolaga Bay Holiday Park. We were going to freedom camp in Tolaga Bay, but we ran out of water today, so water source in the East Cape seems sort of few and far between for filling up your fresh water. A lot of the dump stations don't have fresh water, and I think it's just because most people here are on tank water, so we actually ran out of water completely, so we thought we'll stay here tonight, fill up the tanks. Just behind me on the cliffs up here is the Cook's Cove walk. So that's the walk over to where Captain Cook landed the Endeavour back in the 1790 something. It's a 3-hour return walk, 2.5-3 hour walk, so we're going to go over that way tomorrow morning. And yeah, we're just going to chill out on the beach tonight and enjoy this beautiful view.
So they say, so they say.
Welcome to Cook's Cove. So Cook's Cove is that little bay cove down there. In 1769 Captain Cook parked his ship in here, got some food and some water, stayed here for half a week, and then continued on navigating New Zealand. So you can walk all the way down there. Apparently it's another 45 minutes, hour or something, and unfortunately we don't have the time, so we're going to chill out here for a bit and then head back. Well, our time at Tolaga Bay has come to an end. We're heading out of the campground now, going to head back down to Gisborne, and then later on in the afternoon Chelsea's organised a little reef experience, so we're going to go and feed some stingrays and things, so that'll be pretty choice. We'll see you soon. Welcome to Tatapouri. So this is a marine reserve. It's a bit of a reef out there, and the company behind me just here, do stingray feeding. So we're going to go out soon, see a couple of different types of stingray, give them a bit of a feed. I'm going to switch to GoPro mode so I can take you along for some of the action.